Here we go, guys. Here we go again. We're at IHOP. And I got the Cinn-A-Stack Pancakes. Whoa, where are you going? And 4 pancakes. I'll have the macros in the beginning of this video. I believe it's like maybe 23 grams of fat. Carbs are up there, like 130. And protein is, there's not a lot of protein in there. So, shall we begin? Been thinking about this all week. Wow, that's good. That's really good. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. There's just so much, there's a lot of flavor right there. Holy cow. This could be one of the best things I've ever eaten. Man, oh man. Okay, I ate the French toast last week, and I'll have a link in this video, but I'll tell you one thing, these pancakes were 10 times better than those French toast that I had last week. I give these a 10 out of 10, guys. Go ahead and try these Cinn-A-Stack Pancakes, 10 out of 10, perfect. Okay, ABF Renegades, don't forget to subscribe, and more IHOP reviews coming up next week. Next week. There's my waiter. There's my waiter. He did me good.